Well, I'm sitting outside our Airbnb in my truck, a place that I've grown very fond of this year. And it's that time of the year again when you start thinking back what you've achieved, what you want to achieve next year, thinking about your friends, your family, new people that you've met along the road. We're back in Houston. We've come full circle now, and we're right around Christmas time. So from me to all my friends and family, my ex-workmates, my ex-squadron mates, pretty much everyone I know, if you know me, then you're part of my family. Wishing you a very happy and safe Christmas. I hope you get to connect with your friends, your relatives, you share some times together. This year has been amazing. We miss you all. I don't know when we'll catch up with you again, because at the moment life is just absolutely fantastic. Merry Christmas, everyone. So for all our friends and family across the world, our new friends in America, all those people that we've met over the years, we're wishing you a very happy and safe Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry.